Guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change a photo to become a painting on CapCut. So first thing first, open your CapCut and start a new project, then select the photos that you want to add. Okay, I'm going to find a photo first. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, click on add, and after that you can go to effect and here click on the photo effects and just swipe through the category until you find the scene swap. Now at the end you'll find a painting, so just select that and wait for it to generate the photo. And now the style has been applied. Click on the check icon. Now your photo will turn into a painting like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give it a like and smash that subscribe button there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Thank you.